Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete table column in MS Word. Open your Word document where you will see the table. Now place the cursor on the column to be deleted, right-click and click on Delete Cells. Here, select the option to delete entire column. Click on OK to see that this column has been deleted from the table. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.